Speaking of deflate,
Yeah.
Hey guys, Rekinoid here,
And Kira.
and today we will be doing a review on
Wubble Bubble. Let's get into this.
Bubble Bubble is inflating. No, no. Here, put that back on. There we go. Fully inflated. We can't go the 3 feet because we got these before and our old ones popped.
Wubble Bubble balls, and you want them to be the same height so you guys don't fight. I would set them over like this, and
That's what we're doing.
yeah, when we get close to it, I would go like that.
It was pretty hard to inflate when we first did it, but this is our 3rd time inflating these because we played a little bit without you guys.
Well, that was because we only played for 5 minutes because it was about to rain.
Yeah. So we are inflating the Wubble Bubble.
To that height. Can't even fit on the screen.
Almost as big. Okay, I think it's good.
Yeah.
So what
Alright.
I gotta do is I gotta go like that.
And can make the outie and innie.
Yep. And let's get into playing with these.
Yeah.
Rate this product.
10 out of 10. It's really awesome. I love how it doesn't really pop. Well, these.
Our old ones popped.
Yeah. But that was just because we did something wrong.
Yeah, we sat on it and then Kua tried to jump on hers and I kind of ripped mine apart literally. So
Yeah.
that was bad.
And,
So-
I love how, they're all rubbery and I can't wait.
Speaking of deflate, we are going to deflate. Yay.
Okay, so the stuff that is gonna come with to deflate and inflate, we have the clipper, this weird clippy thingy, and then we have this weird tube, and then we
Which
have
is the nozzle. Kua's gonna go deflate hers. Beautiful is what she is when she's deflating the rubber bubble because she is just beautiful. She was deflating one day and she said, "I am bored." So she rapped on the camera. Thank you for wobbling once more and scoot
Alright, let's see how small mine is right now.
So small.
And I want to do this real quick. I just want to see how this is. It's really.
So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Goodbye. Let's try that again. Goodbye. because we need